We have bad news.
No!
Is this about Adventure Landing?
No. We just talked to Dad and baby is going to die.
No! No!
My cat.
Wow.
My baby kitty, poor cat.
Reason why baby died because of a kidney failure.
Wow, my cat. Wow.
Dad is on his way home but baby is dead.
Wow. I don't want to see my cat dead. 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 Wow, my cat. Wow.
I have good memories with that cat.
We're so sad at the graveyard today. Wow. Rest in peace, baby. April 5th, 2022, July 25th, 2022.
Okay, Jackson, it's time for bed. We're so sad today.
But it's still early.
I don't care now. Go to bed.
Alright. Man. I can't sleep. I have to go to sleep in the guest room. Man, that's way even comfortable. Man, I had a great sleep about baby being alive again.
It's just a dream, Jackson.
What? It's just a dream. Baby is still on the graveyard.
Yeah, it's just a dream.
No!
I want my cat alive again.
I'm sorry but baby is dead.
No!
Stop screaming.